Okay, YouTube, this is what I came up with. I ain't gonna have to change out too many parts. The air box is broken. I'll have to change that out. The radiator support has to be changed out. AC condenser right here goes in the front of the radiator, and maybe the radiator. I have to pull a AC condenser out. That visually inspected, but it's probably gonna need a new radiator also. New headlights, new bumper, new hood, and new grill, new fender also. I'm gonna start taking it apart. I'm gonna walk out through the steps. I'm taking it apart, and once I put it back together, I'm gonna start putting the pieces back on it, and I'll go from there. Stay tuned.